Good morning, I hope you're fine. Today we are going to talk about racket sports. You know that in India racket sports are very popular. I take the example of badminton. I think it's nearly a religion in terms of how many people are playing on a regular basis. And also tennis, for instance, is the third country, you know, in terms of users playing tennis. So all the sports, squash, badminton and tennis, are working hard to improve their choice, you know. So we try to really improve the quality of the range and the benefits, you know, we can provide for all the users. But squash, tennis and badminton are targeting the same ambition. We want to develop the market according to intermediate users. And because we have to seduce more intermediate users, we will have also to provide a good level in terms of services. And that's why we have decided to invest on stringing. And today we are going to talk about the winning points in terms of the stringing policy. So now let's detail the 4 winning points of this stringing policy. The first winning point is, legally speaking, now we are allowed to string all brands. So you can string Artengo, Perfly, Hopfield rackets, but you can also string Yonex, Babolat, Wilson, Head, Prince, whatever brands, you know, our users are expecting us to string. So that's a very important point to communicate also in terms of your social media in your catchment zone. The second winning point is we are going to be much more aggressive according to the price. It means that you are going to charge only the price of the string, but you will not charge the time you need, you know, for the stringing. For 2 reasons. Basically, once again, we want to be really cheap, you know, on the service, and also because legally speaking, we are not allowed to charge, you know, the time. We are only allowed to charge the string, you know, that we provide for the rackets. The third winning point is the fact that we are going to invest in more stringing machines. At the moment, 20 stores in India provide, you know, the service and have invested in the stringing machine. In January 2022, we will move from 20 to 30 stores to provide the stringing service. It means that we will have, you know, a city network, so that in each city of India, you know, we can provide the stringing service on a real good manner. The last winning point is the fact that we are going to communicate strongly, you know, this service thanks to Holic. Holic is this, you know, website platform that you can find on decathlon.in, and we can, you know, offer a very comfortable service to the users, like it is done, for instance, for cycling as well. The user can, you know, book a slot and bring the racket, you know, on a dedicated time. So for instance, I can book between 10 and 11 next Saturday. I will come to Anubhava, I will get my service done, I will purchase probably a few products, you know, during the time the stringing is made, and I will leave the store super happy. After detailing the 4 winning points, I would like to share an important reminder. If we are allowed to string, you know, all the brands, as I discussed just before, like Yonex, Babolat or Wilson, we are not allowed to use external brands string. We need to stay, you know, with our own passion brand strings. So whatever you select, you know, badminton, tennis or squash, you need to use our own strings, you know, to provide the service. Now I would like to share the conclusion, you know, in terms of the stringing service. I think that everybody is convinced that it's going to really increase the business, you know, but many people are not, you know, so sure in terms of the profitability, you know, of the stringing service. Many people believe that, you know, your sport leader is going to lose half an hour because of the stringing, and instead of, you know, being in the layout and selling products, is going to be stuck, you know, inside the workshop. But this is not true, you know, because we have very interesting surveys which have been done in several countries, you know, especially in Europe, which show that a user, intermediate and advanced user who is asking for stringing is going to purchase 7 times more, than a normal customer. So the turnover you generate and also the margin you generate thanks to this kind of customers is going to be crazy, and it will be much more, than the cost of somebody stringing 20 minutes or half an hour within the workshop. That is why we really encourage you to promote, this service and to make sure that we will win the war, in terms of attracting more intermediate users in our stores and on the website as well. Thank you, good luck, and enjoy stringing.